Are you still holding on to the 6.5 Creedmoor like it's 2018? Then you're already behind the curve. In 2025, there's a whole new lineup of game-changing calibers stealing the spotlight, with more velocity, better ballistics, and devastating terminal performance. Whether you're a long-range precision shooter, a big game hunter, or just a caliber nerd like the rest of us, these rounds are rewriting the rules.
From battle-tested military adoptees to hyper-flat hunting rounds, these are the 5 new calibers leaving the Creedmoor in the dust. Stick around, because the last one on this list might just become your next go-to rifle caliber. Let's dive in.
Number 5. Developed by Hornady Manufacturing. Purpose: designed from the ground up for precision long-range shooting. Optimized for heavy, high BC bullets with excellent stability and accuracy at extreme distances. Caliber specs: bullet diameter 0.30 inches. Case type: beltless bottleneck. Parent case: modified 375 Ruger. Case length: 2.58 inches. Overall length: 3.7 inches. Standard bullet weights: 190 to 225 grains, can go up to 250 grains. Twist rate: 1/8 recommended for long high BC bullets. Performance muzzle velocity: 2125 to 2250 FPS with 225 to 250 grain bullets, factory loads. Up to 3000 FPS with lighter loads, 190 gram. Energy: over 4,000 foot-pounds at muzzle, depending on bullet weight. Effective range: tactical/target up to 2,000 yards. Hunting: effective kills beyond 1,000 yards. Best uses: elk, moose, bear, mule deer at long range. Extreme long-range precision competitions. Military and lay precision applications. Western hunters needing flat shooting, wind-bucking power. What makes it unique? Optimized for heavy, high BC bullets, the 300 PRC was built around long projectiles that stay supersonic at 1 mile or more. Beltless magnum case, more efficient powder burn, and better chamber alignment than 300 Win Mag. SAMI and military support, adopted by SOCOM for sniper applications. Superior ballistics, outperforms 300 Win Mag, 308, and 30-06 in accuracy, range, and wind resistance. Pros: monster long-range performance, exceptional ballistic coefficients, superior 300 Win Mag in accuracy and consistency. Modern case design, no belt. Plenty of match and hunting ammo options. SOCOM backing equals longevity and support. Cons: requires Magnum action rifles. More expensive ammo. Overkill for under 300-yard shots. Barrel life, 1,500 to 2,000 rounds, is moderate due to high velocity. Popular rifles chambered in 300 PRC. Bergara Premier Series, Highlander. Christensen Arms Ridgeline. Savage 110 Elite Precision. Seekins Precision Havok. Proof Research Elevation. Custom-built Remington 700 Actions. Why hunters love it in 2025, the 300 PRC has emerged as a top choice for long-range Western big game hunting. It offers a flatter trajectory, better energy retention, and more consistent accuracy than its Magnum peers. It's ideal for hunters who demand one-shot, one-kill accuracy even beyond 800 yards. Number 4. Developed by QLLC, the same creators of the 300 Blackout. Purpose: to create a large caliber round optimized for suppressed, short-barreled rifles, perfect for subsonic and supersonic versatility. Design platform: fits in R10 platforms using a shortened 338 Lapua parent case. Standard barrel twist, 1/3 twist rate. Extremely fast to stabilize long, heavy bullets. Caliber specs: bullet diameter, 0.338 inches, same as 338 Lapua. Case type: bottleneck. Parent case: 338 Federal necked down Lapua design. Case length: 1.685 inches. Overall length: 2.6 inches, similar to .308.
Bullet weights: subsonic, 300 to 350 plus grains. Ultra-heavy projectiles: supersonic, 160 to 225 grains. Performance subsonic velocity, 1000 FPS with 300 to 350 grain bullets. Supersonic velocity, 2000 plus FPS with lighter projectiles. Effective range: subsonic 100-150 yards, supersonic 300-400 yards. Recoil manageable between .308 Win and .338 Federal. Best uses: hunting, ideal for hogs, deer, black bear, and predators, especially at close to medium range. Tactical special ops, quiet, hard-hitting, and effective through barriers. Suppressed shooting: its ultra-heavy subsonic rounds paired with fast twist barrels and suppressors make it whisper quiet and devastating. What makes it unique? 1-3 twist rate, unheard of in commercial rifles. This stabilizes very long, heavy bullets, causing massive terminal yaw and energy dump on impact, like an axe hitting the target. Suppressed performance, even more effective than .300 blackout in energy and terminal damage, especially in subsonic form. Modularity, uses standard .308/AR-10 mags and bolts, just a barrel swap needed. Pros: quiet and lethal, great for short barrels. Devastating subsonic terminal ballistics. Compatible with existing R-10 rifles. Excellent for hog hunting and tactical applications. Cons: limited commercial ammo availability. Still expensive and niche. Not ideal beyond 300-400 yards. Requires specialized barrel twist. 1-3. Popular firearms chambered in 8.6 blackout. Q-Fix and Mini-Fix. Faxon R10 builds. Custom bolt actions and R10s with 1-3 twist barrels. Is it the future of suppressed hunting? Many experts believe 8.6 blackout could become the go-to caliber for suppressed hunting. It's ideal for urban, rural, or tactical hunters needing stealth, precision, and stopping power in one. Number 3.
MPRC. This cartridge has gained popularity for its performance and long-range capabilities. The 7MPRC Precision Rifle Cartridge is a relatively new, high-performance rifle cartridge developed by Hornady, introduced in late 2022. It's designed to offer superior long-range accuracy, high ballistic efficiency, and powerful energy retention, making it ideal for both precision shooting and big game hunting. Quick specs: bullet diameter 284, 7M, case type beltless, short magnum style, based on 375 Ruger, typical bullet weights 160-180 grains. Muzzle velocity 2,953,000 FPs with 180 GR bullets. Effective range 1,200 plus yards. Supersonic and ethical hunting range. Platform: long action bolt rifles. NOTAR 15 or AR 10 compatible. Key advantages: extreme long range capability with heavy 4 caliber, high BC bullets. EG 180 GR ELDM/ELDX. It excels past 1,000 yards. High ballistic coefficients, less wind drift and drop. Great for PRS style and ELR extreme long range shooting. Excellent hunting round. Ideal for elk, moose, and other large game at extended ranges. Modern design uses a standardized, match-style throat, optimized for long, sleek bullets, like the 180 GR DM without excessive freebore. Drawbacks: recoil, more than 6.5 Creedmoor or 308 Winchester, closer to 300 Win Mag. Ammo cost/availability: as a newer round, ammo and rifles are more limited and expensive, though growing quickly. Barrel life: high pressures and velocities may lead to shorter barrel life, 1,500-2,000 rounds of peak precision.
Number 2.
Hornady for the Department of Defense, the 6mm ARC isn't just another boutique round. It's a mission-built cartridge designed to outperform traditional calibers like 5.56 and 7.62, and it does it in a lighter, more efficient package. ARC stands for Advanced Rifle Cartridge, and it lives up to the name. This round combines high ballistic efficiency, reduced recoil, and devastating terminal performance, all in a platform that fits the AR-15. The 6mm ARC fires a sleek, high BC, 243 caliber bullet, often in the 103 to 108 grain range, with velocities around 2750 to 2800 FPS, delivering flat trajectories and excellent energy retention out past 1,000 yards. 6mm ARC, key specs, bullet diameter, 6mm, .243 cal, case type, modified 6.5 Grendel, common bullet weights, 103-108 grains, muzzle velocity, 108 grain, 2750 FPS, ballistic coefficient, .530 plus, very efficient. Effective range, 800 to 1100 yards. Compatible platform, R15 and bolt guns. Designed for DMR, designated marksman rifle, roles, and precision combat. Why it matters. The 6mm ARC solves a critical gap, offering the flat trajectory of a 6.5 Creedmoor, the modularity of 5.56, and the energy on target of 7.62, all in a lighter combat load. It punches through barriers, delivers high hit probability at range, and keeps weight down for soldiers or marksmen on the move. Military and civilian use cases: DMR rifles, U.S. military testing, long-range R builds. Varmint to medium game hunting. Tactical competition shooting, PRC, NRL. Pros: extremely flat trajectory, low recoil, high energy downrange. Works in AR-15 platform. High ballistic efficiency for wind deflection. Barrier blind performance with proper loads. Cons: limited factory ammo, 2025, 5 to 7 SKUs. Require 6.5 Grendel type magazines. Not ideal for short barrels. Barrel availability still catching up. End of segment voiceover. The 6mm ARC isn't here to replace 5.56 overnight, but if you're looking for precision, power, and range in an AR-15 platform, this is one of the smartest calibers in the game. Quietly revolutionary and deadly effective.
Number 1.
Remington Special was developed in the early 2000s as a military-driven cartridge designed to offer superior terminal performance over the 5.56 NATO, especially in short-barreled rifles, SBRs, and carbines. Though it never fully replaced 5.56 in military use, it gained traction in the civilian hunting and tactical market, thanks to its excellent stopping power in compact platforms. History and development. Developed by Remington Arms in collaboration with U.S. Army Special Forces and ARDEC, Armament Research Development and Engineering Center. Purpose: to improve the lethality of the M4 platform in urban and short-range combat scenarios. Debut: early 2000s design inspiration, based on the .30 Remington case, neck down to 6.8mm, .277 caliber. Specs and ballistics, specification detail. Bullet diameter, .277 inch, 7.04 millimeters. Case length, 1.686 inch, 42.8 millimeters. Overall length, 2.260 inch, 57.4 millimeters. Typical bullet weights, 85 to 120 grains. Performance highlights. Hits harder than 5.56 NATO, especially at closer ranges. Maintains good accuracy out to 300 to 400 yards. Ideal for medium-sized game, deer, hogs. Works well in AR-15 platforms with only minor modifications, new barrel, bolt, and magazine.
Pros: superior terminal ballistics versus 5.56, compatible with AR-15 lowers, effective on deer and hogs, legal for hunting in many states where 5.56 isn't, designed for short-barreled rifles, SBRs, good for home defense and tactical applications. Cons: ammo is more expensive and less common than 5.56/223. Limited commercial ammo selection compared to mainstream calibers. Lower velocity and range compared to 6.5 Grendel or .224 Valkyrie. Requires barrel and bolt swap, not just a drop-in change. Common uses: hunting, white-tailed deer, hogs, coyotes. Home defense in AR pistols or short-barreled rifles. Tactical/Leo training when barrier penetration and stopping power matter. Target shooting for those wanting something different than 5.56.